Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today, you will need a pencil, a crayon, and a marker. Please pause the video while you gather your materials. Our first word is lunch. 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 With your pencil, please write lunch. Ch. CH says ch. With your crayon, write lunch. Ch. Lunch. And with your marker, write lunch. Ch. Lunch. Our next word is chin. 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 With your pencil, write chin. 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 With your crayon, chin. And your marker, chin. Our next word is such. Such. With your pencil, write such. Such. With your crayon, write such. Such. And with your marker, such. Our next word is splash. Splash. With your pencil, please write splash. Splash. With your crayon, splash. And with your marker, splash. Our next word is inch. Inch. With your pencil, write inch. Inch. With your crayon, write inch. And with your marker, inch. Our next word is push. 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 With your crayon, write push. Push. And with marker, push. Our next word is shift. Shift. With your pencil, write shift. Shift. With your crayon, write shift. Shift. With your marker, write shift. Shift. Our next word is shut. Shut. With your pencil, write shut. Shut. With your crayon, write shut, sh, shut. And with your marker, write shut, sh, shut. My next word is wish. W-I-sh, wish. With your pencil, write wish, w-I-sh, wish. With your crayon, write wish, w-I-sh. And with your marker, write wish, w-I-sh, wish. My next word is much. M-a-ch, much. With your pencil, write much. M-a-ch, much. With your crayon, M-a-ch, much. And with your marker, M-a-ch, much. Way to go. Flip over your paper. All right, my friends, on this side of the paper, we are working with the digraph CH. CH says ch. Our first word is a picture of cheese. Please write the digraph in the blanks. Cheese. Write cheese on the line. Cheese. Cheese. Next word is a picture of a child. Ch. Write the digraph CH. Child. Now please write the word child. 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 And circle the CH digraph. Next word is chair. 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 With your pencil, write chair. 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 Please circle the CH digraph. Chair. My next word is chat. 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 Write the word chat. 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 Please circle the CH digraph. Next word is chimp. Imp. Chimp. Imp. Write the word chimp. Imp. Chimp. Please circle the CH digraph. Next word is lunch. L-a-n-ch. Lunch. CH. Lunch. Please write the word lunch. L-a-n-ch. Lunch. Circle the CH digraph. Then we have chips. Ch-ips. Chips. Ch-ips. Please write chips. Ch-I-P. Chips. Please circle the CH digraph. Our next word is peach. P-E-ch. Peach. Please write the CH digraph in the blanks and write the word peach. P-E-Ch. Peach. And circle the CH digraph. Next word is which. W-I-T-Ch. Which. Please write the word which. W-I-T-Ch. Which. Please circle the CH digraph. Way to go, boys and girls. You did great.